Aldi Putra sekali.
Buat semua penunggu yang ada di hutan ini.
Oh my god, Allah kabur.
Gak bisa.
Kinclong, licin, bahkan seekor laler pun tidak sanggup untuk menempel. Gasruk, ceper, itulah mobil modifikasi. Harus sabar dalam pekerjaannya. Bahkan ada yang pepatah mengatakan, seberat apapun pekerjaannya, bila tidak dikerjakan terasa ringan. Masih di channel DACUT KASDUT. Halo bos, masih di channel DACUT KASDUT. Masih ingat dengan video ini bos? Ya. Maaf bos, itu bukan. Tapi yang ini bos. Oke. Nah, di video kali ini bos, ini part 2-nya bos. Episode Sultan bos.
Sombong amat.
Oke bos, langsung saja ke video. Videonya. Sebelum itu bos, jangan lupa like, comment, and subscribe, karena subscribe itu gratis. Dan jangan lupa lagi follow Instagram DACUT KASDUT. Oke bos, cekidot.
Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views. Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feeling like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled.
It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
Always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way to even when I'm feeling down, I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan.
It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone.